What I think I'm going to do is try to push this end around.
Okay. See, that chicken is not happy that Annie got her out. Okay, but I think you're still going to have to bring that one over.
You're right in the way, hon.
I'm sorry. Who's Shadow?
A little more?
Yeah, we need more. Just a little bit more. Okay, I think it'll go in. Yeah. I think that'll go in.
Hey, y'all. Thank you very, very much for visiting us at Our Little Texas Ranch. See y'all soon.